More practice on calculating pH. Because it's based on powers of 10, there is a trick where if 10 to the negative x, where x is equal to the pH. And that's actually how you go backwards as well, which we'll talk about in another video. But if they give you pH and they say what's H plus concentration, then you type in 10 to the negative pH and it'll give you back the concentration of the H plus or the hydronium ion. So if molarity of the acid is 0.001 molar, again that's moles over 1 liter, that's equal to 10 to the negative 3, and so your pH is 3. So it's showing you how log base 10 works. If the molarity of the acid is 0.00001, 10 to the negative 5th, your pH is equal to 5. Again, the reason that they created the pH scale is because it's much easier to say pH is 5 and know the acidity, or pH is 3, and know the acidity compared to 5 much faster than saying 0.001 or 0.00001. It's much easier just to use a unitless number. So pH is a unitless number, and the lower the number, the more H plus there is, the more acidic it is. When you're finding the pH of a base, so now you are looking at the OH ions instead of the H plus. Again, they both exist, but when you take the negative log of an OH concentration, you're finding pOH. You are not finding pH. So there is a trick where you can go ahead and take negative log of the OH and you can go ahead and find the pOH, but you need to remember to get the actual pH if that's what they're asking for. If they are not asking for pOH, then you need to subtract your pOH from 14. So if they say you have 0.01 molar or 0.01 moles per liter of sodium hydroxide, this means that negative log of that is going to give you the pOH because it's a base. So the first thing you need to ask yourself is, am I finding the negative log of the OH, negative log of the base? Because that means you're finding pOH. Or am I finding negative log of the H, or the negative log of the acid? Because that means you're finding pH. So pH, if it's an acid, is one step. But if they want the pH of a base, it's 2 steps. Because you have to first take negative log of the OH, in this case it's sodium hydroxide, but it's the OH that makes it basic. And then you need to subtract it from 14. Because it is a constant, it is a strong base, and it's more concentrated, the OH is more concentrated than the acid, you do need to know that the pH could not possibly be 2. So remember, you have to subtract from 14 when you have a base, and the base is more concentrated than 10 to the negative 7.